Marcello, and we got another surprise from Moose, and we got more Bluey surprises. Here, let's see what's inside. Thank you so much, Moose. Let's open it and see. And don't forget to subscribe to this video. This is a duplicate of the playground sets, but we know who to give it to. I have a cousin who loves Bluey, so I'm going to give this to him. And oh my gosh! Tiffany, it's cousins! Oh my gosh! There's Socks, and I forgot his name. Wait.
Muffin.
Oh, Muffin.
Muffin.
Oh, this is Socks and this is Muffin. And Bingo.
Who else is in there, Rocco? Go ahead. Oh, you got the papers.
Wait. Oh, swim!
Pool time.
Yeah!
What else is in there? Let Rocco take out one. Go ahead, Rocco.
I'm taking a Bingo.
Bingo! And a little baby Bluey plushie.
Oh,
Yay!
we get these open right now.
Yes, thank you so much, Moose.
Thank you so much, Moose Toys. I love Bluey. We've seen every single episode. We even saw a little preview on Instagram for season 2. I can't wait for season 2. Hopefully it comes out really soon.
These are the other figures that you can get. So the next figure set we need to grab is Granny's.
And then we need the car, and then we need the house, and then we're all done.
And the friend set.
Oh yeah,
too.
I forgot. I was just about to say, I forgot about it.
So you could watch Bluey if you're in North America on Disney Junior. The playground set includes one Bluey posable character figure, so cute. The wagon, and you might remember this from the bus stop episode. Comes with a slide that the figures can just easily slide down. And it also comes with a swing. And what's cool about these figures is that they're posable at the arms and the legs, and then you could bend their legs, and there's a little hole in their bum, so you could seat them inside or on top of the swing seat easily, and they don't come off. So Marcello got pool time figures open. Let's check out pool time.
I put them all together.
Oh my goodness. Now, do you remember the pool time episode? What happened with their dad?
They forgot all the
Bandit?
stuff.
Yeah, they didn't bring all the stuff because all of that stuff was boring. But now, you know, Chili, the mom, she knows best. She always brings extra things for the pool, like their goggles and look. So here are like the water wingies over here. I have removable goggles. If you do want a Bingo that doesn't have anything on her, you'll have to get the 4-pack, or you can get the Cousins pack. That also comes with the Bingo figure. They're so cute, and they're also posable. They have the removable goggles, and you can reenact scenes from pool time. This is my favorite. This is so cute. So we have muffins and socks, and it comes with a Bingo figure. They're so super cute. Look at the detail in these figures. They're so adorable. This is socks, and socks is not posable. There's no posable pieces, and it's actually just like a standalone figure. And then we have Muffin, which is Sock's sister, and this is their cousin. Look how, wow, that's really nice posability, and also we have that little hole in the bottom to place socks on the swing set.
Mom brought the Sinkies! Yay!
The Sinkies. Let's check out these little mini plush. Now there's a bunch of them to collect actually. So thankfully we have Bingo. I'm so excited. We also have a Bluey plushie.
And I know that
small one.
I know that they have the friends. No.
Snickers.
Oh, Snickers.
Yeah, Snickers and Coco. This is the first plushie of Bingo that we have. She's so super cute and so super soft. I love Bingo so much. Whoa.
Bingo.
Yeah, it's Bingo.
Bad socks. Bad socks.
Who's that? Who is that?
It's Sinkies.
Sinkies?
I wish it actually came with some Sinkies. Wait, Rob, where's the gobble? Oh, yeah.
He has it in his hand, yeah. Is that Bingo? Bingo's going to the pool? They're going in the pool?
Rob took off their goggles. I want to put on the goggles. It's like glasses.
The mini plush are going to be $7.99 each, and you could also also get a jumbo Bluey, the best mate Bluey, which is a really jumbo plushie for $19.99. These are available now at Target. So, and then you're going to be able to get them August 1st at all retailers. So there's so many other play sets to collect. So in addition to the playground one, there's also the playroom set. Then we have the Healer 4-wheel drive family vehicle that also comes with Bandit. And it comes with like a bunch of cool accessories, like a sticker sheet to decorate the vehicle and 2 surfboards.
And there's gonna be the house.
Yes, it comes with the family home. That's also the family home. That's a play set. It has 4 rooms with a living room, the kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. It also comes with a Bluey figure, furniture accessories that are removable for added play, and it comes with a handle so we can take it anywhere you wanna go.
Oh, so we can also store it. I guess we can store all our Bluey figures.
Yeah, why not? It only comes with 1 figure though, only comes with Bluey. Then we have 2-packs. So right now we have all the 2-packs except Granny's. Granny's is when Bluey and Bingo dress up as Grannies.
Oh, don't we need the friends too?
Oh yeah, they also have the Friends pack. I don't see that on here. They only have the Family 4-pack. So maybe the Friends pack is coming out later this year.
Okay.
But that includes like Snickers and Coco, like all of her friends. And also comes with a Bluey figure. Oh, well, turn it upside down.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Go ahead, he can do it. Let him try it. Yay!
Okay,
and he's switching them. It's so cute.
Let me see if they actually.
Yeah, that's right. Put it on. There you go. You did it. Good job. High five. High five. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he was right. Look at the package. It has blue for Bingo
That's
and
right.
pink for Bluey.
Oh, there you go. Rocco was right. Good job, Rocky.
I love them. I love them.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Bluey toys by Moose Toys. And if you're a fan of the show like us, I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, Moose Toys. This is so exciting. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to have Bingo. She's my favorite. She's so cute. We got to make her a little leaf. Oh, little leaf.
Oh, and I am so happy that I didn't even know they were cousins.
Bingo's shaking like a leaf.
Oh, she's shaking like a leaf? Bye, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Moose. I love Bluey toys. We're big fans. I've seen every single episode. Bye, guys.